After German reunification, some East German border guards were tried for shooting fugitives who were trying to escape across the border. In court, these soldiers argued that they just obeyed the law and the orders of their superiors, so they should not be held accountable. The argument does seem very convincing. However, if we accept the argument, we do not really understand dictatorship. Since the 1960s, East Germans fled across the border to West Germany in increasing numbers. This exodus seriously damaged the image of the East German government. In order to prevent the people from fleeing across the border, the East German government issued a decree ordering the border guards to shoot at the fugitives. However, the issuance of the decree alone was not enough to drive soldiers to shoot. The reason was simple: there was no benefit. If there was no benefit, few soldiers wanted to do such bad things. Therefore, in order to drive soldiers to shoot, the East German government must also adopt two measures: rewarding unscrupulous soldiers who kill fugitives and severely punishing soldiers who are unwilling to shoot at fugitives. Once these two measures were implemented, an adverse selection was formed. In order to get a reward or a chance to be promoted, the soldiers without a conscience would not hesitate to shoot at the fugitives. In fact, many soldiers who killed the fugitives were rewarded or promoted. As for soldiers with a conscience, they would be divided into two types under pressure. Some soldiers would be severely punished for sticking to their conscience and not shooting at the fugitives, and the other soldiers would be forced to shoot at the fugitives for fear of severe punishment. This is the terrible thing about adverse selection. All soldiers with a conscience either were eliminated or had to abandon their conscience. In the end, all soldiers became soldiers without a conscience. Regarding this phenomenon, there is a popular view that it is caused by the system. A bad system can turn good people into bad people. In fact, a bad system cannot turn all good people into bad people. The reason why everyone is bad under a bad system is that a bad system inevitably leads to adverse selection. It will select people without a conscience, eliminate those with a conscience, and at the same time force most people with a conscience to abandon their conscience. In other words, good people cannot survive under this system.